Is not life more than food, and the body more than clothes? Look at the birds of the air. They do not sow or reap or store away in barns, and yet your heavenly Father feeds them.
All her friends call her Little Wing, but she flies rings around them all.
Are you not much more valuable than they?
She comes to town when the children sing.
Can any one of you, by worrying, add a single hour to your life?
Feathers if they fall.
And why do you worry about clothes? See how the flowers of the field grow. They do not labor or spin. Yet I tell you that not even Solomon in all his splendor was dressed like one of these.
Little wing, don't fly away.
And if that is how God clothes the grass of the
When
field,
summer turns to fall,
which is here today and tomorrow is thrown into the fire,
don't you know, some people say
will he not much more clothe you?
it's the best time of them all.
You of little faith.
Winter is the best of all.
So do not worry, saying, what shall we eat, or what shall we drink, or what shall we wear? But seek first his kingdom and his righteousness. Therefore do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself.